Let's start with 5. Kind of scared.
I have been using at-home IPL hair removal for about 2 years and I love it, but I have found it to not be 100%, meaning it's not getting 100% of the hair and it doesn't seem to be 100% permanent either. So I've started experimenting with laser. I was sent this Tria 4X at-home diode laser hair removal to review. So we're gonna unbox it, take a closer look, try it out. I'll let you know how it feels and we'll go over the features, how it differs from IPL, and why this might be way better than IPL at-home hair removal. Let's go. Quick start guide on top and the beautiful laser hair removal device. Down here, they've got plug adapters in case you're in another country with different plugs. So here is the base. Do that. So this is for an American plug and this is going to plug into the device. And here is your manual in many languages. This came separately, so I'm not sure if it's sold together or as part of like a bundle. This is the Tria Laser Phytograph Hydrating Calm Soothing Gel. Basically what you're gonna do is you're going to wash and shave the area, dry it down, use the gel, use the laser, and then use the gel again. Look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so different from IPL, which has a much wider head with the cooling window and all that. And it's also different from the other laser hair removal device I reviewed, which looked very similar to the IPL. So this one is like really, really different. You've got a rubber grip here to make it super ergonomic, easy to hold. It's lightweight, but feels like really solid, if that makes sense. Like really good feeling product. Kind of looks like a microphone. According to the box, Tria 4X uses advanced laser technology to permanently remove up to 100% of hair after just 8 treatments. Suitable for skin tones pale, fair, medium white to olive, and suitable for these hair colors, black, dark brown to medium brown. So here is the quick start guide. First, you're going to shave and put on that gel, enriched with CICA extract and chamomile to help soothe and protect sensitive skin. So I don't think it's like a conductive thing, like with an ultrasound. Ooh, it's got like little flakes in it and it's blue. It feels like an aloe, honestly. It smells good. Then you're going to unlock the device by placing it against your skin and selecting the power level. Actually, this is a wireless device, which I have never seen in IPL or laser before. It came fully charged, but your battery level is up here. So when you get this on your screen, then you're ready to do the skin sensor down here and then select your power and get going. A big difference between laser and IPL is that no protective eyewear is included or necessary for laser, whereas it is necessary for IPL. So that's a big bonus for a laser, in my opinion. The eyewear is really difficult, and then you're like scared, you can't look, and all this stuff. You're going to do the treatment. Here we go, skin sensor. Unlocked. Then you can click on the top to change the power level from 1 to 5. Let's start with 5. Kind of scared. Did it do it? It's saying I've used it twice already. I didn't feel a thing. Did it work? What? It buzzes if it doesn't work. That's interesting. It does have a safety mechanism, so if it's not fully covered, it's not going to shoot the laser, which is great for safety, but it makes tiny areas like your toes a little bit tricky. So I am able to get my toes. You just gotta try different angles if it's a small area. That's the sound it makes when it doesn't go off. I have it at level 5. That's 20 joules of heat, energy, power. I don't feel a thing. What? So easy to use. There's your battery level. There's how many times you've done it in that session. And it resets every time you change the power level. So keep that in mind. The power levels range from 1 up to 5, which is 20 joules. The light coming out of here is an 810 nanometer hair targeting wavelength. It's only slightly less than the in-clinic standard of about 25 joules. And at 20 joules, I'm told it's about 200% more power than most IPL devices. So that is incredible. I'm also told the Tria 4X is the only FDA cleared laser for permanent hair reduction, and that it's clinically proven better than IPL for hair removal. More specifically, 90.1% more effective than IPL. There's no manual or auto glide different setting. It's all the same. You basically do auto glide. There's no triggering. It's just when this is covered, it goes off. When you're moving it to slide it for like auto glide, instead of just simply sliding it, you just like pick it up a little like this kind of thing. And then it's just gonna keep shooting and getting those hairs. I was worried because this is so tiny. I'm like, oh my gosh, how are you gonna like get the whole leg and stuff? But actually, it's really easy. You just go in a line, boom, 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 boom. Super easy, fast, for me, painless. And then finally, you're going to finish up by putting more of the gel on your skin. On the back, it goes over how it works. Obviously, I just started using this, so I can't give you any long-term results yet, but I did not have any sensitivity. I did not have any pain. It's so easy to use. I love that it's wireless. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. If you want to try this or any other Tria devices, you can use my code Heather for 10% off all Tria products. Link in video description.